Want to transform your body in just 21 days with nothing more than a blender and some delicious ingredients? Let me introduce you to the Smoothie Diet, 21-day weight loss program. Imagine shedding pounds effortlessly while boosting your energy and improving your health, all with easy-to-make smoothies that taste as good as they make you feel. Danielle from Houston dropped 8 pounds in just a week, and she says she's never felt better or more confident. Sarah from Tulsa calls it her mommy makeover, losing 3 pounds in 3 days. Feeling more energetic than ever, Sarah is thrilled with her results. And Jade? She kicked 12 pounds in 21 days, finally saying goodbye to those stubborn love handles. What makes the Smoothie Diet different? It's not just a collection of recipes, it's a well-structured, 3-week plan with over 36 meal replacement recipes and weekly shopping lists. Each smoothie is crafted with specific nutrient and ingredient ratios to keep the weight off and the energy high. The flexibility of this program means you can extend it beyond the initial 21 days. You can continue to lose weight and gain health benefits as long as you like. And here's the best part, it's completely digital. No waiting for delivery, you can start today. Plus, it's risk-free with a 60-day money-back guarantee. So, why wait? You're only 21 days away from a slimmer, more vibrant you. Ready to blend your way to a new lifestyle? The Smoothie Diet is here to help you every step of the way.